Malumang ahas ng PCIJ the day before the suicide na pinagdugtong-dugtong ni Malumang ahas na naging isang statement at lumabas na ngayon, nabasa siguro ninyo, nasabi daw ni Angel Reyes, I walked into corruption. Parang yung napasukan niya, hindi naman niya sadyang at hindi siya nag-imbento niyan, sinabi niya yan, at napasubo siya. That is already some sort of admission of the problem, di ba?
Of the existence of corruption.
And
that
he walked into
admission.
it. He walked into it.
Yes.
Meaning, by implication, he already accepted participation in it of some sort.
Ito nga ang magandang liwanagin din sa kaisipan ng ating mga kababayan. Na may mga ibang nagsasalita ngayon ng mga kasabay ni General Reyes na nagsasabing, tanggapin na natin yung conversion. Yung conversion, yun yung pabaon eh. Kasama dun yung pabaon at saka pasalubong eh.
Ikaw convert nila mula sa ibang
system. Sa madaling sabi, sinasabay nila sa natural na awa na nararamdaman ng taong bayan, yung pagtanggap ng ideya na tanggapin na natin na kawawa naman talaga yung mga sundalo. Tanggapin na rin natin na okay lang yung pabaon. Tanggapin na rin natin na merong conversion. Ganon yung dating eh. Kaya ang nangyayari, napapalambot na yung investigasyon. Pero ang problema, kailangan gawin pa rin ng sandatang lakas, kailangan gawin pa rin ng pambansang kapulisan ang kanilang mga tungkulin sa ilalim ng batas. Yun lang naman ang inaasahan ng pangkaraniwang sambayan ng Pilipinas.
Okay. Now, kung titingnan ko naman yung katungkulan ng lehislatura dito, tiningnan ko nga yung batas tungkol sa sweldo ng mga general sa AFP, Armed Forces of the Philippines, at sa PNP. Ang general, pinamatas na general, pay grade 30 or 30,000 pesos. Plus, combat, housing, and so on. Sabi nung mga sundalo mismo, 50,000 siguro, maximum. Call center, kayang kitain nung bagong graduate na magaling magdakdak sa English. Sa ganyang klaseng pay scale, yung unofficial income, galing sa mga conversion at iba pa, yun ang inaasahan nila for the retirement at iba pa. Di ba? We have 1 minute to the end, no? Over and above this investigation, what do you think should be done? Both even sa PNP and other branches of government and sa Kongreso at Senado mismo, yung inaasahan naman nila talaga, yung pork barrel nila. Last 40 seconds.
Sa madaling sabi, ang hinasabo lang natin ay masunod yung kalakaran ng batas. What the people want is a fair deal. What the people need is just to follow the rule of law. The government that must do its official duties, but what the government is doing in this investigation is like they are giving us a picture of what the situation is by giving dots, and instead of drawing or connecting the dots, they want the people, they want the public perception to do the connecting. That is not fair because it is their duty to connect the dots. Kasi the dots are not as simple as one after the other. Merong sigsag eh. Kung magkamali ka ng connect, di mali yung nakikita mong litrato. Okay. Yun ang sinasabi natin na hindi pwedeng hindi nila gawin ang kanilang mga tungkulin.
Okay. Midway through this discussion, our camera crew already said, mukhang mabibitin tayo. The 1 hour or 45 minutes, 50 minutes is not sufficient to complete the picture. But we hope we have helped you with more dots to connect as we go through the next few weeks muddling through this case. Maraming salamat and have a good week.
I enjoy it.